Hello sa lahat ng servant and transformational leaders. Welcome to the EnQuest Episode 1, the introduction. If you are preparing for the EnQuest, please share, follow, or subscribe for more videos and updates. Hayaan ninyong tulungan ko kayo upang makapasa sa darating na National Qualifying Examinations for School Heads. I am A.S.T. Evangelista, Principal 1 sa isang public school. Before leading you to a successful and worthwhile journey sa pagiging schoolhead, let me introduce myself. I am a family man with 2 sons and 3 daughters from a beautiful wife who live in Bacoor City. Lumaki ako at nagkaisip sa Tagkawayan, Quezon kung saan ako ay nag-elementarya sa mababang paaralan ng Magsaysay at sa Our Lady of Lourdes Academy naman para sa sekundarya. Hinubog ko ang aking sarili sa noon ay Southern Luzon Polytechnic College na sa kasalukuyan ay Southern Luzon State University in Lucban, Quezon. Sa SLPC ay kumuha ako ng Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science. Nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na kumuha muli ng kurso para sa post-baccalaureate degree in Physical Education sa Philippine Normal University in Manila. Sa parehas ding universidad ay naipasa ko din ang comprehensive examinations para sa kursong Masters of Arts in Science Education, major in General Science. Sa kasalukuyan ay naka-enroll at malapit na ring matapos sa St. Francis of Assisi College para sa kursong Masters of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management. I had a 3-year experience as a teacher sa private schools at almost 15 years sa DepEd. I am a passer of the first online EnQuest and passer na din ng Career Executive Service Written Examinations. Sino-sino nga ba ang qualified para kumuha ng examinations para maging full-fledged schoolhead? Ang DepEd Order No. 39 Series 2007 titled Modified Qualified Standards for the Position of Head Teachers and Principals. This is the basis at magsasabi kung sino ang maaaring kumuha ng exams. Maaari kang kumuha ng pagsusulit kung ikaw ay 1 taon na head teacher, 2 years na TIC, 2 years na master teacher, o di kaya naman ay pinagsama-samang 5 taon mula sa experience ng pagiging TIC, master teacher, teacher 3, at managerial and supervisory experience sa isang private school na recognized ng DepEd o CHED. Kung ikaw ay nakapagpasa na online ng mga requirements at nakatanggap na ng kaparehong message na makikita ninyo sa screen, ay congratulations! Kukuha na kayo ng examination permit sa inyong SDO. Make sure na dala-dala ninyo ang mga sumusunod. Una, original copy ng mga dokumentong isinubmit online para sa verification. Number 2, 2 pieces passport size picture with name tag taken within the last 6 months with signature at the back. Pangatlo, 600 pesos para sa examination fee. Tandaan, ang 600 pesos ay babayaran lamang sa cashier kung kayo ay may hawak na examination permit. Bawat isa sa atin ay may iba't ibang dahilan kung bakit ating nanaisin na mag-take ng National Qualifying Examinations for Schoolheads. At isa na dito yung tinatawag nating professional development and growth. Noong 2018 pa ako naging master teacher. At di ako sigurado kung noon pa man ay may guidelines na sa pagiging Master Teacher 3. Kaya sabi ko, baka pwedeng subukan para another development naman sa aking career. Maaaring pangalawang dahilan kung bakit magtitake ng EnQuest ang isang guro ay upang magkaroon ng tinatawag nating financial increase. Hindi ko masyadong concern ang financial increase sapagkat ang Master Teacher 2, Head Teacher 6, Assistant Principal 2, at Principal 1 ay nasa para-parehas lamang na salary grade 19. Ngunit marami sa ating mga exam takers ay gusto rin na magkaroon ng mas malaking sahod. Kung makakapasa nga naman dito sa NQuest ay isa sa mga dahilan upang tumaas ang kanilang mga salary grade level. Isa sa maaaring dahilan kung bakit na naisip mong mag-take ng exams ay dahil merong nagtulak sa iyo na gawin yung pag-a-apply. Shout out po sa Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Las Piñas City Associate Council na pinamumunuan ni Dr. Aldrin G. Corpin at sa dating SDS ng Las Piñas na si Sir Joel Torrecampo. Take note, they are the leaders who exemplify great values and characters of genuine leaders. If you happen to meet them, you will surely be inspired by their compassion, dedication, and integrity at the workplace. Sila ang mga tao or sila yung mga nag-motivate sa akin upang mag-take ng National Qualifying Examinations for School Heads. Likas sa ating mga Pilipino yung tinatawag nating pagiging exploratory. Kung kaya naman, gusto natin magkaroon naman ng change in the career path. Yung ilan, napagod na sa pagiging master teacher, kaya pagiging admin naman, o kaya ang iba naman ay ayaw na magturo sa mga students, kaya ginawang tuntungan ang NQuest. Meron akong isang kakilala na alam nyo ba, na palaging sinasabi niya na what if kaya niyang baguhin yung system. So, siya ay isa sa mga kasabay ko nag-take ng exams, kasi para sa kanya, there are times that he was compelled to follow something with a heavy heart. Or, sinasabi niya na minsan, he had just no choice but to follow. And an idea could spark of, what if he had the power to change the system, or at least, to be the voice of his fellow educators. Through NQuest, sabi niya, we have a better chance to make the department become better in the service for the young generation. Kaya sabi niya, susubukan niya talaga mag-NQuest sapagkat sa tingin niya, yung NQuest ang isa sa magiging dahilan kung papaano niya magbabago yung educational landscape ng DepEd. Sa puntong ito, i-share ko sa inyo ang mga tips or advice nung bago ako nag-decide na kumuha ng examinations. I-share ko sa inyo ang mga ginawa ko before ako mag-exams. Una, kinilala ko ang aking sarili. Ano ba ang aking malinaw na purpose o vision para sa DepEd at sa mga kabataan? Kung meron na kasing malinaw na vision, it will lead you to have a stronger driving force to continue and pass the exams. Ang pangalawa, ang isa sa mga napakalaking dahilan kung bakit ang isang examiner ay makakapasa doon sa pagsusulit. Magbasa, magbasa, at magbasa. Find time to at least read something that are relevant to your future job as a principal. O kaya naman magbasa ka ng kahit na anong mga factual, current events, history, newspapers, magazines, or kahit na ano. It is because through reading, we could improve our vocabulary and we could possibly sharpen our skills in comprehending, understanding, or analyzing several text materials. In my almost 15 years in DepEd, marami na akong tinitingalang mga leader at sila ang mga tinitingnan ko bilang modelo. I do not hesitate to ask when something is not clear. Yung mga tao na yon na credible at trusted leaders, malaki ang maitutulong nila sa atin if we will talk to them. May mga alam sila na pwede natin ma-acquire kung tayo ay makikipag-usap sa kanila. Pray and ask for guidance. Ewan ko ha, pero I'm always saying na I pass the exams not because I am good or because I read a lot, but I always believe that I passed every examinations because of the prayers by our church, by our family, or perfectly said na I passed in His grace. While you are already taking the test or you are on a review, make sure that you internalize that you are already a school head. When you are on a review or actual examinations, think that you are a full-fledged school head who needs to actualize and to resolve many school issues. Through internalizing that you are a school head, you will be able to gauge or measure your skills and competencies that you still need to improve on as a leader or a manager. This is the end of episode 1. Again, please like, share, or follow for more EnQuest videos. See you again, future EnQuest passers. Good day!